These guys remove the back wheels from this car and replace them with the wheels of cart. In California, tumbleweeds invasions happen very often, and these tumbleweeds are extremely efficient and moving with the wind. In 2018, these tumbleweeds clustered together and take over entire city Victorville in California. This is flame weed control. Farmer use propane tank to burn unwanted pest or weeds, which burns at 20 GPa, 41.5 million BTU. In case you don't know, this is how solar panels are cleaned. I know this looks like a painting, but it's not. This is what the true beauty of Iceland looks like. This is Malibu, California, where the weather is always perfect. This is it for today, guys. Hope you learned something new. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.